And in the co-mate, we are doing the question number 6, which is given in homework part. That is the difference between 6 times a number. Okay? A number means the number which is talking about it is not given to us. Okay? So let us suppose that let the number be x. Okay? First we have assumed that the number is x. Now it is telling that 6 times a number and 23 by 7. So 6 times a number means it will become 6 into x. Okay? Because it is telling 6x, 6 times a number, and 23 by 7. 23 by 7. It means another number is 23 by 7. Now it is telling these two numbers have the difference minus 9 by 7. Okay? So we will have 6x minus 23 by 7 is equal to minus 9 by 7. Okay? We have taken this one now. Just you need to transfer over here. It will give you 6x. This will give you minus 9 by 7 plus 23 by 7. As you will do transfer, so that is why this will only come. Okay? Now 23 में से 9. How much will you will get it? Tell me. Out of 23, when you will subtract 9, what will you get it, students? Tell me.
14.
14.
14. Correct. So you will get it 14. And 14 by 7, when you will solve, what will you get it? 14 by 7, when you will solve it, what will you get it? 7 ones are 7. 7 are 14. Yes, you will get the value 6x is equals to 2. Okay? And 6x is equals to 2. When you will solve it, you will get it x is equals to 2 by 6. And 2 by 6, when you will solve it, you will get it 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. It means the value of x when you will solve, you will get it x is equals to 1 by 3. Finished. Yes. So for this question, the question is given x into y to the power minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. So in this question, the values which you have been given are x is equals to 2 by 3 and the value of y is 3 by 5. And in this question, we have to prove that they are not equal. Okay? We have to prove that they are not equal. So in that situation, what we will do? We will just simply put the value. So यहाँ पर है 2 by 3, x की जगह पर we have put 2 by 3. In place of y, we have put 3 by 5 now. And then power is minus 1. And remember, power is minus 1 represent that reciprocal. ठीक है? So जहाँ पर जरूरत पड़ेगी, we will do the reciprocal also of it. Now this has come. Now let us put another side. Abhi in between we will not put the sign of not equal. Why? Because we have to verify that only. So जब तक हमारा last step नहीं आता, we will not put any sign between those two steps. ठीक है? So ये इसको separate solve कर रहे हैं, इसको हम लोग different solve कर. Now this is 1 by x. Now remember 1 by x means that reciprocal of that particular number. ठीक है? So 1 upon x मतलब x का reciprocal. तो x क्या है? 2 by 3. तो reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 3 by 2. ठीक है? 1 by x का मतलब होता है x inverse और x inverse का मतलब होता है reciprocal of that particular number. Then plus 1 by y. 1 by y का मतलब होगा reciprocal of 3 by 5, which will give you 5 by 3. ठीक है? Now let us solve this. Now we have 3 got cancelled. You have only 2 by 5 and this is power minus 1. We have written like this. इस तरफ solve करते हैं. What you will get it? LCM of 2 and 3, which will give us 6. Now when you will solve this, it will give you 9. It will give you 10, which will give you 19 by 6 on this side. And this side, it will give you 2 upon 5 inverse. 2 upon 5 inverse का मतलब होता है the reciprocal of this number. So which will give us 5 by 2. Now look at here both the side. One side you are getting 5 by 2. Another side you are getting 19 by 6. It means left hand side is not coming equal to right hand side. And as they are not equal, we will put the sign of not equal. it means LHS is not equal to RHS, and यही हमें verify करना था बेटा. This was only given to verify. So here we'll write it down, verified. Finished. Tell me, got it or not? Please reply in the chat box, yes or no. See, question number 7 says that the value of x is 3 by 20. Okay, the value of x is 3 by 20. Let me begin this question and just tell you in a brief. The value of x is given 3 by 20 in question number 7 of homework part. Okay, and it is telling you have to find out the value of 4x minus 9 multiplied by 10x plus 2. Okay, you have to find out the value of this expression. How will you do that? You need to just put the value of x, that is 3 by 20, in every place wherever x is written. Okay, wherever x is written, you need to just put the value of x. Okay, and simply solve it. 3 ones are 3 5s are 10 ones are 10 2s are. Okay, and then you simply solve it. Like solve first this bracket, then solve this bracket, and after that both the brackets which is given, they don't have any sign in between. It means in between they have the sign of equal, multiply. So जब आप इसको solve करोगे, you will get it 3/5 minus 9, and यहाँ पे जब आप solve करोगे, you will get it 3/2 plus 2. ठीक है, दोनों तरफ के bracket when you will solve it, and in between there is a sign of multiply. So you just need to, after solving both the bracket, you need to just multiply their results. Okay, and whatever the answer will come, that will be your correct answer. See, which question we are doing? That is question number 9 from more challenging, which we were doing today. And remember, in this question the strip is given of 8 hole 3 by 4 centimeter from this side. ठीक है, और यहाँ पर you have to cut out circle which has the dimension 1 whole 1 by 4 as a diameter. So अगर आप गौर से बात करो तो आपके पास जो भी सर्कल्स है वो इस तरीके से कट किए जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, so ये लेफ्ट ओवर पोर्शन को यूज नहीं करना है. और the question the morning in morning what we were doing it, that was we were using this process, this one also, the total circle how many will come. So in this question they have to not use this portion which is left over. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर simply इस तरीके के diameter के circles कट करने, like this one, फिर उसके बाद this one, फिर उसके बाद this one, like this. ठीक है, how much is the dimension which is given to us. ठीक है, so full out how many circles will cut out. So इस question में आपको simply what you have to do, the dimension is 8 whole 3 by 4. The total here whatever the dimension is given, that is 8 whole 3 by 4, and 1 ठीक है, one dimension of 1, that each circle is 1 whole 1 by 4 as a diameter. ठीक है, so 1 whole 1 by 4 will simply divide this, and it will be giving you 8 4 ja 32, 32 and 33 will give you 35. 35 by 4 divided by 5 by 4. ठीक है, and when you will solve this one, it will give you 35 by 4. Divide will convert into multiply. It will give you 4 by 5. 4 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. And your total circle will be 7. And remember always that why we are getting 7, because we have to not use this portion. Simply कितने circles आप निकाल सकते हो in the form of total complete circle, that you have to tell only. We have to not use these things which are left over here. And the process,
I did the same process.
So the question number 10 says that Vijay travels 1 by 5 of his journey by train. ठीक है? So Vijay is a person who is doing the journey somewhere, and he is traveling 1 by 5 part of his total journey by train. ठीक है? Then 5 upon 7 by bus. So we are taking bus is 5 by 7. ठीक है? Question number 10. And rest of the journey which he is doing, that he is doing by walking only. So walking he is doing by just a normal walking. ठीक है? Now the question is telling if he walks in total 3 kilometers. Now, as you all can see, we don't know the total journey over here. It is written in the form of fraction. It is also written in the form of fraction. But this is not written in the form of fraction. It is written in a normal form. ठीक है? So, अभी हमको सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए यहाँ पे? Let us see. You only tell me this type of question. How can we do it? What can you take it out as a total journey in part? If we are talking about fraction, can you tell me what can be total part? Here. So here we have not got what is the total. ठीक है? So we will assume that the whole is 1. Always remember, whole will be always 1. So आपको यहाँ पर अगर whole journey में से because ट्रेन पता है हमको, बस पता है हमको, walking का part चाहिए और walking के part के लिए हमको सबसे पहले total part चाहिए. So what will be there? Portion or fraction also you can write it down. Fraction which he walked. ठीक है, जितना पोर्शन इसने वॉकिंग के थ्रू डिस्टेंस कवर किया दैट वी आर टेकिंग. सो वन होल एज वी आर टेकिंग इट वन होल माइनस बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग इट माइनस बिकॉज कितना टोटल में से लिया गया है. दिस इज बाय ट्रेन एंड दिस इज बाय बस. ठीक है, वी विल सॉल्व लाइक दिस and we will solve like this and then you will get the portion of over here. ठीक है, let us see what is the portion coming. It will give you 1 minus. When you will solve this, it will give you 35. It will give you 7. It will give you 10. ठीक है, 7 plus 10. And sorry, this will not be 10. Sorry, this will be 25. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 5. 5 is 25. So it will give you 1 minus 32 by 35. ठीक है, 1 minus 32 by 35. Just a second. Yes. 1 minus 32. हाँ बेटा. Yes. So here it is coming 1 minus 32 upon 35. Now जब हम इसको solve करेंगे, so it will give you 35. 35 minus 32, which will be left over as 3 by 35. Now this is the portion which he walked. 3 upon 35 is the portion which he walked. Look at here. We have done it till here. 3 upon 5. It was a part which was covered through walking. This was a normal part, beta. It was not given in the form of distance in kilometer. It is only a form of fraction. That this part is covered by walking. And in kilometer, it was given 3 kilometer. We don't know the total journey. ठीक है, because we have to find out in the question what is the total journey. ठीक है, because total पता होगी तभी बस की निकलेगी. So what we have assumed, we have only assumed that x is the total journey which was done. ठीक है, x kilometer is the total journey. So what if this is a normal part of it? So 3 upon 35 is a part of x which is 3 kilometer, which we have taken in the beginning only. So यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया? We have taken x is a total journey. So 3 upon 35 of x, because it's a normal part. So 3 upon 35 of x is equals to 3 kilometer. Now we will just we will replace by the sign of multiply, which will give us 3 upon 35 multiplied by x is equals to 3 kilometer. जब आप इसको solve करोगे, so you will get it only x over here, and everything will got transfer to that side, right hand side, which will give you 3 into 35 upon 3. 3 will get cancelled. And total journey that was done, or the total journey that was given, it was 35 kilometer. Now you need how much distance is covered through bus. ठीक है, how much distance is covered through bus. Now bus कितना था बेटा? 5 by 7 था. तो बस के लिए कितना? 5 upon 7 into 35. ठीक है, and how will you do that? Do that. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, and this will give you 5 5s are 25 kilometer. No, you know, this is the question which you can call it more challenging. It was really little complicated. I will not tell you it's so much complicated. It was just little. 1 minute. Now we are on value based question, which is telling in question number 11, Ajit's younger brother told him that he had added 7 upon 15 to minus 3 upon 10 in place of -3/10 to 7/15 by mistake. Ajit told his brother that the ways are correct. Write the expression and name the property used by Ajit. Is the property true for subtraction? Verify it and mention the value shown by Ajit. This is a very good question, I will tell you. And before I tell you this question solution, let me tell you, you tell me first, all the students, that if you add 5 and 3 or you add 3 and 5, will the answer change? So remember, according to Ajit is very right in this question, that if you add 3 and 5, it means 3 plus 5, answer comes 8. If you add 5 plus 3, then 2, answer comes 8 only, because addition jo hota hai, that comes under commutative. Commutative, this property is known as commutative property. If you add A plus B or you add B plus A, both gives you same answer, because addition commutative hota hai. ठीक है, एडिशन कम्यूटेटिव होता है. बट कैन यू टेल मी subtraction is commutative or not? Tell me. Commutative. So remember, subtraction is not commutative beta. ठीक है, addition is commutative but subtraction is not commutative. ठीक है, so this is one thing which we have done it right now. Now it is telling write the expression and name the property. So how we can write it down, the expression? 7/15 plus -3/10 is equal to -3/10 plus 7/15. That is only expression, and under that you can write it down. This is commutative property. Finish this question. It is asking, is the property true for subtraction? No. Verify it. Verify means you can just take this example only which is given, or you can also take this example according to yourself also. You can take it 5 and 3. You can take another number also, and then you can verify it. जरूरी नहीं है आप इसी result को लेके चलो, ठीक है? You can verify this property. Now mention the value shown by Ajit. Now Ajit is a brother which is explaining his younger brother that it is correct. Don't get disappointed also, है ना? So what property you can see from Ajit here? So you can mention that according to you. ठीक है? Now tell me, one day a rickshaw puller earned ₹80. Out of his earning, he spent ₹13/3/5 on tea and snacks, ₹25/1/2 on food, ₹4/2/5 on repairs of rickshaw, and saved the rest. How much did he save on that day? It's a very simple question, like a normal question. Total money is ₹80.
This question we have done in NCERT.
Absolutely. Just you have to simply add all. आपको simply सारे numbers को add करना है, like 13 rupees whole 3/5 plus 25 whole 1/2 plus 4 whole 2/5. After adding all these, you have to subtract from 80, because the total money which he earned was ₹80 only. After subtracting, whatever the answer will come, that will be the money which was saved. ठीक है? Then the question is asking what value is depicted by rickshaw puller. This you tell me. So remember, in this question, rickshaw puller has only earned ₹80, but then too he has arranged everything. He has done everything, like spent some money in repairing the rickshaw or something for eating also. And after doing all the kind of expenses, he has saved also the money for the future. It means वो कम मनी को नहीं देख रहा है, but उसके बावजूद भी उसने इतना कम मनी के होने के बाद भी he has saved also for the future. It means he is thoughtful for his future. So that can be thoughtful also, as Kathy has written money management also. So this rickshaw puller is a very good manager, I can call it, है ना? Which he is managing the money in a proper way, in a systematic way, and he is thoughtful also for his future.